Use the periodic table to find the chemical symbols that are on your slip and match them together. For example, we know that H2O stands for water. It stands for water. What elements are in H2O? Hydrogen and 2 hydrogens and 1 oxygen. So when you are matching them, you need to look at the periodic table and match it to the common name. Once you do that, then you also match it to the actual compounds. For example, here's a compound. Who knows what this is? Raise your hand. Don't shout out, don't shout out, don't shout out. Raise your hand. Let me see. Oh, Jamal. What is it? Goggles should be on your eyes. You too. What is this? Honey. Now, honey is a type of what? Sugar. It's a type of sugar. Sugar. So, what are some of the elements that are in sugar? Elements in sugar. You want me to let somebody help you? Taylor?
Fructose.
Fructose is the name of the sugar. So what's the elements that make up sugar? Rock. See, wait. Elements. What are the elements? Rocks are made up of many elements. Oxygen. What else?
H2O.
No, that's water. Carbon. What is the other one? Carbon and oxygen.
Hydrogen.
And hydrogen. So when you get ready to match this, you're going to match it to which of those little slips? Fructose, which is the chemical name, and what is the compound formula? What is the compound formula?
Where you get
Taylor?
CHO.
See what?
AHO.
See, you gotta see what?
6 carbons, 12 hydrogens, and 6 oxygens.
Okay, and that is the chemical formula for sugar, or fructose, which is also your honey. Do we all understand how we're matching it?
Yes.
Okay, what about the balloon? What do you think goes in there?
Helium.
Helium? All right, how you gonna blow? No, how you gonna blow that balloon up? Raise your hand and stop shouting out. How you gonna blow it up? You gonna blow it up with carbon dioxide, but what you gonna use? You use your mouth to blow it up. Can you breathe out helium?
No.
If I could breathe out helium, I'd be floating everywhere. You understand? So, that means that when you breathe out, everybody hold your breath, hold it in, hold it in, hold it in, hold it in. The gas that you just breathe in is a mixture of a whole bunch of different elements. All of them are gas, but when you breathe out, what did you breathe out?
Carbon dioxide.
Okay, we breathed out carbon dioxide, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, so now, for the balloon that is exhaled breath, and the name of that gas is?
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide. What is the compound formula? What is the formula for the symbol for carbon? Capital C.
Lower
For carbon.
capital C, lowercase, capital O, and a 2.
There you go. CO2 is carbon dioxide. So now you all do the other 4 by yourselves. I'm going to be walking around, and I'm going to call you all up to talk about adding atoms. You have to ask me a question?
What's sodium?
Water. Are you participating? You need to come, maybe you need to stand right here. Okay. So, you got it. What I would do, instead of moving these, just move these. The carbon dioxide, the sodium down.
Carbon goes with CO2. She just told me that. Wait, look.
The sodium chloride, the extent.
Somebody walk around your close up on the right with the camera.
They're all right? Huh?
Can somebody walk around with the camera and get close ups on the right?
You can go ahead and do it if you want to. Go ahead, be the camera lady.
Oh.
And show what you're doing and explain it.
Yes, Amy. It's long.
Okay, y'all got it?
Explain this.
How y'all doing? Which one of those go with fructose?
We trying to find CaCO.
Okay, so what is Ca?
Calcium.
Calcium. So which one of these says calcium? Okay, so the calcium goes with calcium. And you see calcium, and then the C is carbon. Then you have oxygen, and it's 3, so carbonate. This is CO3, it's carbonate.
I'm videotaping.
Okay. Explain what you're doing.
Putting the elements with the signature.
Okay, wait. You're putting the compound formula with the chemical name, right? Okay, so go ahead. So far, y'all, they're all correct. So you're doing good. Okay, that's good. Now let me ask you, on here, how many atoms are represented right here?
No, 3.
3? 3 atoms or 3 elements?
Oh, y'all missing with this stuff on the camera. She told us to put them in the
So how many atoms are here? You have 3 oxygens, 1 carbon, and 1 calcium. So how many is that? How many?
1.
Okay, let's look at it on your paper. You have a calcium, so that's 1 atom. That'd be like a 1 right there. You have a carbon, that's 1. And then you have oxygen, which is 3.
4.
So 1 plus 1 plus 3 equals 5. So how many atoms? 5 atoms. Okay? Let's see what you have. Explain it.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Oh,
Come on.
Okay, for shy.
Go ahead and help us out.
We put carbon dioxide for the balloon, and the chemical sign is CO2.
Mm-hmm.
And for water, we put H2O. Everybody know this H2O.
Don't be all feisty, miss. Go on.
For sodium chloride, we put Na, N, capital N, lowercase a, capital C, lowercase l.
Mm-hmm.
And for the honey, we put fructose, which is 6 carbons, 12 hydrogens, and 6 oxygens. And for the sand, we put silicon dioxide, which is capital S, lowercase I, and capital O, 2.
Closer door, please.
2 oxygen.
Right. Okay.
Calcium carbonate, we put CaCO3.
Okay. Now look, when we're talking about the number of elements, how many elements are here?
24.
Elements.
Oh no. 3.
3 elements, because you know you have carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, correct?
Yes.
So now, when you said 24 before, that would be 24 what?
24.
What's the A word?
Atoms.
24 atoms. Exactly. How did you get 24?
Because
6 is 12, and then add 12 and 12, you get 24.
Excellent. Can y'all get you all to go ahead and start on your summary, please? Everyone get started on your summary. Taylor. You want to do what? You want to taste the honey. Well, now, do we ever eat the lab?
Nope.
No, we're not going to eat the lab. First of all, that honey has been in those test tubes for 2 days. All in your summary section, all matter is made of elements, and elements are pure substances. Can anyone tell me what that means?
Like, most, like, elements are in, like, everything that we use.
Everything we use? What gas is fatal if it is breathed? Raise your hand, please don't shout out. Let me see. No, you know what? On this one, I'm going to let you shout out. It's the only time y'all get to shout out.
All right, on 3.
1, 2, 3. Ready? Chlorine. Chlorine is fatal if you breathe it. Now, is that A, B, C, or D?
C!